the first time I've connected the DJI mic mini to this. Be interested to see what the sound quality is like. Nice and lush and green today. The rain we've had over the last 3 days. And just a little ride out today. There we go. Jacket I've got on is the Revit off track. Again, not had that too long. I've got an Alpine Star Andes V3, which full suit, which I do quite like. Got the Revit jacket. I like the 3-in-1 jacket. It's got the thermal, the waterproof membrane, and then this, so it all comes apart for obviously when the weather's a bit warmer. Quite a nice little jacket. And I've also got the Nox Urban Pro Mark III, which I'll probably sort of like do a little review on at some point as well. Just as I say, just heading out today, a little bit of a ride on the local roads just to see how this works out. Be interesting just to see, as I say, what the video quality is like, and what the mic's like as well. As I say, it's the first time I've used this mic with this camera. I usually have it with my DJI Marksman 5. We'll give this one a go. I've also got the GPS going on the Insta360. You can see how that runs as well. Just a nice little ride out. Stop and tell you a few bits that I put on the bike as well. So I've got an in-off N1 camera system. So that's like the Apple CarPlay and the dash cams from in-off. I think they're quite good. Under the seat I've got the Heeltech Thunderbox, so everything's basically wired into the Thunderbox just to see how we go. I am at some point thinking about putting some Denali cans on with a Hex Easy can. You see, oh no, that's private road, can't go down there, sorry mate. So yeah, Denali, I'm looking at the D7 Pros. Still can't decide if they're a bit too big for this bike. Lovely lights, like them quite a lot. But I've got the Hex Easy Can. I just need to basically put them onto the, put that onto the bike and then get the Denali lights at some point. And so there we go. We're just, as I said, just going into one of my local little villages for right around the road. Lovely little roads, these back roads. A lot of them single track. Nice and steady. Lovely little church there on my right hand side. So it's just a little test to see how the camera works out and the mic together. I've been watching quite a lot of tutorial videos at the moment in regards to the X5. Picked up some really good hints and tips. I'm probably going to put those into practice at some point. So lovely little country lanes here. Just going for a little ride on. Just basically get the bike out, stretch the legs, get me out on the bike, and have a good ride. High hedges, not fond of them, but hey, there you go. Lovely views across to the mountains there on my right hand side, the Conify Mountains. So just having a little ride out and just to test this X5. It's my first Insta camera, by the way, so we'll see how it goes. But it's my first Insta360 camera. At the moment I'm, I've done about 3 or 4 videos, and I am impressed with it. It's for me, I think that to have that 360 view is actually quite nice. Not sure about the, I've got the DJI Osmo Action 5, which I use still. I use that when I'm out canoeing and kayaking, amongst my many other hobbies. So motorcycling, canoeing, kayaking, rock climbing, mountaineering, ice climbing, all sorts of stuff I get up into my free time. Just taking it nice and easy on these country lanes here. And we'll see where we end up. I think I know where I'm going to end up, but we'll see. See where it goes. No. I'm going to put a bit of music on. I've got the headset I've got is the Cardo. It's the Neo. Again, I don't know why I went for that, but I just thought it's quite a nice little set. In hindsight, maybe I should have gone just for the edge, but this one's I don't mind it, it's alright. There we go, we're just going over the A55 now. Lovely little village again. So the bike I'm on again is the Tiger 900 GT Pro. I've probably already said that, so I'm sorry if I'm repeating myself. Wife passed the test this year, which was absolutely amazing. She's now got a Tiger 660. Which was nice to have her on a bike and instead of being on the back. Tank bag I've got, that's the Moto Nomax. I've had that for about 2 years now, and I really like that. It's one of my favourite tank bags I've ever had. Just for its practicality, it doesn't sit too far, it's okay. And then my luggage, so soft luggage now. I did have hard luggage, but I've got rid of it. I've got onto the Moto Reckless 80. And I used that a couple of weeks ago actually when I went over to see Mum. I took that with me, had all my stuff in it, everything. Managed to get my bike covering it a lot. Really good bit of luggage, very impressed with it. I'm not a brand ambassador for Moto or anything else that I've got. Everything I've got I purchase myself, by myself. So, little country lanes like this which I've got around me are fantastic. And we'll just see how it goes. Just a bit of a ride out. Taking some nice little twisty roads and country lanes. And then once I'm back on the main roads, I'll probably turn the camera off and head back without the camera off. On, not off. Oh, nice old Tiger there sat in the hedge. Yeah, we'll go right here. There you go, if you can see just in front of me. I'm just going to pull up. There you go, you can just see through there. We've got the mountains here. Over there, the Conifer Mountains of North Wales. You can just about see the tip of Trevan. But yeah, the Conifer Mountains in North Wales, my local mountains. So living here in North Wales is it's a privilege. Moved here in 2015. Anyway, I'm rambling. Back to the camera. Insta360 X5. So this is another one of the 360s. I'm just trying out with the GPS to see how that comes out. And then I'm going to do a flat video, so not the 360, just a standard debulk video. We'll see how that comes out. There we go, you've got a castle over there, which is Penryn Castle. There we go. That's it, there we go. So I think I'll just pull up here, turn the camera off, stop recording.